China's constitution affords its citizens freedom of speech and the press, but authorities crack down on news stories and internet communication. The situation is far worse for the people of East Turkestan, the China's colonized nation. Friends and the relatives of Uyghurs and other Turkic Muslims believed to be detained remain cut off from information and unsure where their loved ones are. Uyghurs diaspora non-stop campaigning and demanding whereabouts their relatives from the Chinese government more than 3 years now. Alfred Uyghur, who is currently studying in USA, is the one of them. His father was well-known film director and a journalist in East Turkestan, detained March in 2018. No information since then.
It's even impossible to say hi to relatives over the phone. We don't know if they're still alive or not. Chinese government arrested my father Erkin Tursun, imprisoned him in concentration camp. I demand Chinese government to show me proof that my father is still alive.
According to Australian Policy Research Institute findings, despite the China claim that concentration camps are winding down, nearly 400 concentration camps constructed in East Turkestan in nearly 2 years. Between July 2019 and July 2020, at least 61 suspected detention facilities have shown signs of new construction. The latest satellite imagery suggested that this includes at least 14 facilities that remained under construction in 2020. Uyghurs believe that millions are disappeared, tortured, and killed in Chinese concentration camps, and that could be the reason why China is strictly hiding information about concentration camps. Each Uyghur person in East Turkestan must sign an agreement paper called Keep Secrecy Agreement. The violation of these agreements is heavily punished by the Chinese government. This agreement paper about China's concentration camp in East Turkestan stated that it's prohibited to reveal any information about re-education camps, including situation, daily life, number of people, or other work, through social media or any communication tools. And it's forbidden to receive media interviews without government permission. Violation is considered as a crime and receives heavy punishment. 2 ethnic Kazakh men from East Turkestan escaped from China's concentration camps who were convicted of illegally crossing the border a year ago have obtained temporary refugee status in Kazakhstan. It's not clear that Kazakh governments also provide asylum to Uyghurs, if any Uyghur able to escape from China's concentration camps. According to Observer Research Foundation researcher Tara Rao's report, a third of the China's uranium for nuclear energy comes from extraction in the Ili region of East Turkestan. This is also home to a great population of Uyghurs. The PRC moved towards a stronger development of uranium after 2008. China now possesses over 44 nuclear reactors in operation and 18 others under construction, and is striving towards ensuring that 1/5 of their energy comes from their power plants by 2030. East Turkestan became the core nuclear hub, and the same report stated that there is no state system in place to ensure the safety of those dwelling in Ili region, and what it reflects is a revival of a past narrative of nuclear imperialism, as uranium energy extraction seems to have overtaken nuclear. According to sources of East Turkestan Information Center, Chinese government officials told the villagers in Almutyar village in Ili that their house is going to be destroyed next year to facilitate government development plan. Relocation plan is unclear, but Uyghurs worrying to be sent to inland China for forced labor, like hundreds and thousands of Uyghurs in other parts of East Turkestan, as a part of China's forced labor and displacement and the eradication of Uyghur population plan.